Attack. See, the wing feathers are starting to grow already. This is a strong group. Go get one. It's really one. There she is.
Hello. This is a good girl.
Could be a foot. Hey, good morning. It's had a big couple of days. Now go ahead.
I was about to say I love them. I don't need to.
Well, she needs to nap, clearly. Oh. Something's good on there. I don't think they did it.
She really likes this. My love is deeper than the water, stronger than the river, higher than the pine trees growing tall upon the hill. My love is purer than the snowflakes that fall in late December, and honest as a chicken in the barn. And longer than the song of the whippoorwill. Is that better? Yeah. Aw, that's adorable. Are you hungry? Oh. Did you like that? Aw.